Hello and welcome back to Car Performance. In this video I will be working on the interior styling of my A45 Amg. We will be installing these ambient air vents, and they basically have LEDs that you glow and changes the color. This is going to complete the interior of this car together with the stylists that we put inside last time and did the ambient light conversion. If you guys haven't seen the starlight video, click up there. But in this video we will be putting this in just to complete the interior altogether, and this does look really cool. The installation should be pretty straightforward, as we've done tons of these installations in all cars from 1A class to C class to E class. So we do all this conversion. Also, if you require these kits, drop us an email and then we will be able to sort you out with these kits. But for now, because we have some good fun stuff ahead of us, and with these vents, let's not waste any time and let's get customizing. So this is the original vents in my A45 Amg. So these are the vents, there's no LEDs, nothing in there. So we will be taking these out and putting them ambient vents in here. These are pretty straightforward to remove, basically literally slots out together with, you know, all these three there, the one over there and the one on the driver's side. So we'll be replacing all of those. We will also be doing the button conversion here. So all the LEDs over here are orange, the old ones. We've converted these one to white, everything else, but we'll be doing those. And also we've already upgraded the lights in here, so as you can see they've already been changed from orange to blue, and same over there. We can't really see because the car's off, and the same and together with the starlight, as you can't really see it right now because the ignition is off. But yeah, without wasting time, let's take these vents out, put the new ones in. And we also have a few other little bits such as like paddle extenders and like steering wheel covers and stuff like that. So if we have a time today, we may do that as well. So let's not waste any time and take these vents out and put the new ones in. So in order to remove these vents, you need a tool like this, or a pick tool, something similar to this, a little hook, and there's a little hole at the bottom of these vents that this basically literally hooks onto, and then you just pull it out. So it's pretty straightforward, it's not that difficult. So if you just literally just there, look, it slots in already, and then if you just give it a pull, bam, there you go, that's the vents out. That simple, literally so simple. So yeah, that's one, and again, so put that, slot that in there, and you will be able to feel it when it hooks on, literally not to this but the cover at the back, and then you just pull out. So as you can see, look where that hook is sticking out, that's where it is, right there. So that's where you want to hook onto, and then just literally pull it out. And then one more over there, very straightforward, bam, simple. Right, so this is the kit, complete kit. This is how it comes. You have the 5 air vents, 3 for the middle, 1 for the driver's side and 1 for the passenger side. And then it comes with 3 looms. One is the main loom, which has the LEDs that connects to the back of the vents, and then you have 2 other cables, and we will show you where these cable goes. And also, yeah, do not forget this is the control box, a little module that controls the colors and decodes the data and everything, all of that. So yeah, we'll have to do some pinning. As you can see, this pin needs to be put somewhere, most likely the door module. So we have to go through the grommet into the door module, connect them up, and then this is the simpler part. This part is basically just plug and play, connect these to the back of this. We'll show you in a minute, but the hardest part is this part that we need to sort out first, and then we can clip everything back together. So we have all the vents removed, and also the door card has been removed on this side. The next thing you need is this cable. It has these 2 little connectors, and then you have some pins like this, so open pins. Now for this connector, this part, the male part, connects into the door module, and we have to remove this connector from there. Now that connector will go into here, and then this part will go into the connector there. Then this part with the open pins, like these pins, that will go through this wire all the way to the inside, through the door grommet, all the way to the inside of the car. It'll come out through there, and then we can continue the rest of the wiring. But this part is very important, so we need to connect that up over there, do the wiring all the way through there, and then we'll continue the wiring through there into the vents inside here. So let's quickly do this part, and then I will show you guys how that looks. Right, so the wire has gone through that grommet, through there, all the way to the inside, and here it is, literally there. So what we're going to do on this side is literally just connect this wire there, and then that original wire connects into this one. So there you go. So that's all connected. Now we're going to put the door back together and then continue the rest of the work on the inside and on these wires down there. So let's go. Right, so this is the main loom that we're going to work on now. So you have 3 LEDs there. That goes for the 3 vents at the well, in the middle of the car, and then you have 2 really long wires that goes to the edges, driver side and passenger side. Then this little connector, there's a 4-pin connector here that goes into one side of the module, and then the 5-pin connector is the wire that we just put through from the door side. So we're going to wire this one first, and then we're going to connect this module, which is going to complete the circuit, connect all the LEDs to these vents, and then push them back into place and have a look and see how they look in the car. So yeah, let's go. So in order to do the wiring over here, you need to remove the head unit, which is very straightforward. There are 2 screws, literally one there and one over there, and then this literally just slides out. Now we're going to wire the LED light, which is this one there. One's going to come to this side, one's going to go to the driver's side, and then the 3 are going to stay here, and the other wire is going to go down there where it's going to connect to the module, and then this wire is going to come across and connect over there as well. So yeah, almost there, almost there. Right, so as you can see, we've got the wire straight through this side, and the LED is attached on this side. Now all we have to do is, also you may have to, as you can see, the feed it right straight through there, and it's on this side. So if we pull that straight across, there it is, and then just pull it across, and there we go, it's on this side. And all the 3 LEDs for the middle are down there. This is the wire from the door module, so that came straight from there. And then we have this one that is from the loom, the LED loom, so we're going to connect the module at the end, but let's just finish this one off. Right, so the door cars are back together, and now it's time for us to install these vents. So if you look into the vent, it'll say top, which means that goes to the top, and then on the side of that you'll have a little LED. There we go. This is where this LED clips onto. So you clip that LED on, and then you literally just push them back into place. And yeah, then we got one more thing left, which is the module. We'll connect that last and put the CD player unit back in, and then we're done. So almost there, just need to connect these up now. But look at the difference between that and the original one over there. They look way better. So yeah, let's go. Now how good does that look? So that's off, that's on, and you can just basically move them about just like, but yeah, that looks pretty slick. Right, so all the vents are fitted. So the driver's side there, the 3 in the middle, everything's back together there, and yeah, that looks really nice. So yeah, what we're gonna do is turn the key and see if they work. They should work, but let's go on that side and turn the key and see how they look. Right, so you can see the red color. That looks really nice. Wow, that looks incredible. Yeah, we still need to convert these orange LEDs here, and we've already done that side, that's white. I need to do this part. Everything else is all converted into white. So you've got these LEDs that's left. We're gonna finish that one off another time. Right, so as you guys just saw, the ambient air vents completely changes the interior of this car. I really like how it turned out, and he adds that extra little ambience, especially at night time. It takes the interior of this car to a whole new level, from the old boring air vents to this new 2021 style ambient air vents. We still have a few more touch-ups left for the interior of this car, but that will be happening very soon, and then we will be moving on to finishing off the exterior styling of the car. From then we need to start work on the performance development of this car, which is going to change this car performance and take it to a whole another level. But we have been extremely busy lately with a lot of ongoing projects, from ambient conversion to starlights to a full complete conversion on Audi RS3s. So if you guys want to see those videos, make sure you guys have subscribed to Cam Performance and clicked on the bell icon so you guys don't miss when those videos come out. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching it. Make sure you hit that like button, share this with your friends, leave a comment below, tag your mates, and we will see you on the next one.